Hello and welcome back to Crypto Fox. We're your sure plug for news, predictions, and happenings in the world of crypto. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on our current trending videos that promise to keep you updated in the world of crypto. In this video, we'll be talking about Dogecoin predictions and a possibility of Dogecoin reaching the $10 mark. Bitcoin was once priced at 38 cents in 2011. Fast forward to 10 years, Bitcoin is worth over $50,000 at the time of recording. Similarly, Dogecoin is currently valued at around 5.3 cents. Now the big question is, can Dogecoin ever reach $10? Let's see. It was started as a joke, but who could imagine it would become so significant in the crypto world? The fact that Dogecoin was launched in 2013 and became the 13th most valuable cryptocurrency in 2020 is no small feat. That's a long time in the world of cryptocurrencies and helps Doge achieve legitimacy and credibility that some other coins don't have. However, Dogecoin price predictions are rare and relatively low compared to other crypto assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. The recent price surge in Dogecoin has seen its rise in value from less than 1 cent at the start of the year to a maximum of 8 cents. It has since dropped back down to around 5 cents with a market cap close to $6.5 billion. The price has been driven in part by comments and memes shared by the richest man in the world, Elon Musk, whose interest in cryptocurrency was recently demonstrated by Tesla's $1.5 billion investment in Bitcoin. Dogecoin has since dropped back down to around 5 cents, but remains one of the most valuable cryptocurrencies in the world. Even though online vendors are increasingly accepting cryptocurrency payments, Dogecoin remains a long way off from becoming a mainstream form of payment. Past price analysis of Dogecoin shows that as at 17th of December 2013, when Dogecoin was first listed, the price was $0.0002. 1 month later, its value hit $0.002 in January 2014, which was almost 10 times higher. It then drove back strongly, and for 3 years it was at its lowest level. The Doge peaked at a new high of $0.003 in early June 2017, with Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market rising. On January 7, 2018, Doge's price was incredibly rising, smashing limits and hitting an all-time high of 1.8 cents. 2020 ended with a price of 0.4 cents. The current trading price of Dogecoin is around 5.3 cents. Now to the big question, can Dogecoin ever hit $10? Considering Dogecoin's growth prospects, this cryptocurrency provides a wide variety of possibilities. Even though Dogecoin is yet to hit $1, if it continues going up like this, and some factors are met, it could reach $1 by 2022, and may go up to $10 in the upcoming years. One important condition that can drive the price of Dogecoin up is if there are updates to Dogecoin's features. Dogecoin has not seen any major updates since 2019. Forbes.com reported that Dogecoin saw its last major upgrade in June of 2019, and now Ross Nickel, Dogecoin lead maintainer, along with 4 other developers, want to roll out another major release to address Dogecoin's scalability and security issues within a year. As it's expected, rumor of new features could arise and surely lead to an increase in prices. Therefore, if updates and new features are added to Dogecoin, this could raise it to $1 before 2022 and $10 in the years after. Another condition is media attention. Unlike all cryptocurrencies, the primary price driver for Doge is media attention. Commodity.com reported the meme-based coin saw a surge in value in early 2018, as a number of media outlets began to pick up the story that Doge had hit a market cap of over $2 billion. In 2021, a number of users from the community successfully advertised Dogecoin on billboards around the United States. In between all of the memes and the jokes, the community occasionally attempts to organize serious events such as fundraisers. Elon Musk also openly endorsed the coin in July 2020, which resulted in a 14% price hike, whether he meant it as a joke or not. Dogecoin got even more media attention in early 2021 on the back of the Wall Street bets GameStop phenomenon. However, these surges are often followed by sharp crashes, as traders engage in profit-taking. It can be possible to try and predict those crashes, but it's risky, and it may result in you losing money rather than making it. Dogecoin's stellar run has also boosted its market value to over $10 billion at one point, making it the number 10 digital coin on CoinMarketCap's rating before falling slightly in rank. Musk has been joined by other influencers and celebrities like Snoop Dogg and Kiss singer Gene Simmons in several tweets showing support for Dogecoin. Forbes.com reported that internet-savvy entertainers have continued to talk up the new Bitcoin rival, hoping to push it yet higher. YouTuber Jake Paul said via Twitter that Dogecoin is Bitcoin's younger brother. He said that they have the same potential and that it's still early. Another YouTuber, Ben Phillip, who's been trying to pump up the Dogecoin price recently, tweeted that Neil Armstrong landed on the moon first and now Doge is next and that he's holding. He's since seen some retweets. These kinds of stories tend to lead to new traders pouring money into a currency. It will garner media attention, which is likely to result in a positive price rise for Doge. Dogecoin, like all cryptocurrencies, is highly volatile and prone to large surges and big dips. The decentralization of Dogecoin is a positive factor as well, and it can cause the price to go up. BitcoinExchangeGuide.com reported that according to BitInfo charts, 28.7% of Doge's supply is held by just one address, which owns more than 36.8 billion Doge, worth over $2 billion. A mere 11 addresses hold 20% of coins, a total of 25 billion Doge, worth nearly $1.4 billion, while another 91 addresses have a total of 25.2 billion Doge that is worth almost 1.38 billion. The largest number of holders, over 1 million addresses, own between 1 to 10 Doge. As per this, 88% of addresses hold pretty much 0% of the Doge supply. There are only 58 addresses that are richer than $10 million and 393 addresses that are richer than 1 million. These numbers clearly show the ownership of Doge is highly skewed, with very few having nearly all the Doge coins. The Tesla CEO and SpaceX boss also said in his tweet recently, if major Dogecoin holders sell most of their coins, it will get my full support. In response, a Doge enthusiast tweeted who Musk agreed with, whales will have to consider Elon's ultimatum here. If they comply, Dogecoin becomes the currency of the internet. If they don't, or cheat by distributing their coins across multiple wallets, then it loses Elon's endorsement. Easy decision for the whales. Do the right thing. So hopefully the Dogecoin holders comply and so Dogecoin gets Elon Musk's full support. Surely other investors will join in, and that could make Dogecoin the currency of the internet. Elon Musk's tweets and some influencers' posts are not the only drivers for the Dogecoin rally though. A recent rise in the price of Bitcoin followed by a period of consolidation is prompting more retail investors to look at the altcoin. Price outlook for DogecoinCapital.com reported that the use of Dogecoin has evolved beyond a full meme on social media. It's now being accepted by some online stores for payment, and the investment is forming part of diversified cryptocurrency portfolios. According to digitalcoinpurse.com, Dogecoin is now ahead of altcoins like Uniswap, Aves, EOS, and Monero. Dogecoin has also become available on more cryptocurrency exchanges, making investing in Dogecoin available to more people and supporting higher trading volumes. According to Wallet Investor, an online forecasting website, Doge could double again from 5 cents to 10 cents later this month. Even by cryptocurrency standards, Dogecoin has experienced particularly pronounced price shifts. The cryptocurrency market is still developing, and in the short term, you should expect an unstable market with lots of peaks and troughs. On a medium to long-term basis, Dogecoin has been on a general upward trend, like many other cryptocurrencies. As more mainstream traders become involved in cryptocurrency trading, you should expect to see prices broadly moving upward with some slightly rocky periods. Let's take a look at this Doge USD chart. In this chart, we can see that Dogecoin is trading at around 5.9 cents. The support level is visible at around 5.5 cents, just a little below the current trading price. The target is set at around 8.3 cents, which is just a little shy of the current all-time high. As you can see, the price has already tested the support level and bounced off in what seems like it's going on a bullish direction. The expected upward trend of Dogecoin is illustrated using the magenta arrow, which can be seen making its way towards the target. Dogecoin is expected to reach this target soon, and after this, there will likely be higher targets for Dogecoin to break on its way up. The most reliable fact is the volatility of Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies, which is why they should be traded with caution. We advise that you do your own research before you invest or trade in cryptocurrency. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching the video. We hope you liked it. Kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'd love to know what you think in the comments below. See you in the next video.